Alright guys, Jeff here. Just want to give you a lowdown on this Mr. Heater. This is an industrial style up to 125,000 BTU heater. It is electrical and also propane. You can see it's got a lighting knob there and also an indicator, high or low. But this thing puts out this ton of heat. You can see attaches here to just your standard propane tank. I'm using it here on a job site today. It's snowing outside and in Montana, so that's all I need to say. But anyway, this is a great heater. Gets the job done. A lot of heat in a small area in a short amount of time.